Welcome to T Mike's Vintage Outboards YouTube channel. If you're watching this video, you've just made the best decision of your vintage outboard motor life. I'm T Mike. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've been working on these vintage outboard motors for over 10 years, and when I began, my goal was to create a YouTube channel that had every video that you needed to repair, restore, and maintain vintage outboards. And I'm here to tell you, with over 800 videos as of today, I believe I've accomplished that goal. Now, I specialize in 1950s, 1960s, and 1970s Johnson and Evinrude vintage outboard motors, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. Not only do I have all the videos, but I sell all the parts and the parts manuals that you need for these particular vintage outboard motors. I also have a website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com, and on that website I have the following links. You can click on the shop link to shop for parts. You can click on the restoration link to sign up for me to restore one of your motors. You can click on the parts broker link, and on that link you can fill out a form and submit it to me, and I'll go out and find your parts for you. I also have a technical consulting link where you can click on that, ask me any question you want to ask me, I'll gladly respond. I also have a mail-in repair service link. If you ship me your magneto, carburetor, or gear case, I'll repair it and ship it back to you. I also have a link for custom paint and decals. You can send me your cowling hoods and I'll custom paint them and decal for you. And I also have a link for T Mike University, where you can get your graduate degrees in carburetor, magneto, and gear case, a 10-video course to be an expert. Finally, I also have a mission. My mission is called Save the Hobby. That's right, I want to save the hobby for future generations. We're getting older, those of us that work on these motors now, and we need to carry on the hobby to the future. So I'm doing a free motor giveaway, where I'm giving the motor away with the parts and the consulting and the parts manuals to get it restored. All right, so join my mission and let's save the hobby. All right, and finally, I want to say this: if you have any questions and you're having trouble reaching me, all you got to do is call me. All right, my number is 337-278-5429, and I do answer my calls. Now go ahead, enjoy all my videos for free.